This is a quick tutorial video to show you how to sign in to GrapeSEED Connect as a student. You will be using the same login as the one you used to sign in to the GrapeSEED app. If you are using a tablet PC, download the GrapeSEED Connect from the App Store or Play Store. We do not recommend that students use smartphones for their GrapeSEED class as the screen will be too small and also your child may not be able to see other classmates when using a smartphone. When using a PC laptop, be sure to use one of the web browsers optimized for GrapeSEED Connect. They are Chrome, Edge, Firefox and Safari. From a web browser, go to remote.grapeseed.com. Sign in using the login credentials for your GrapeSEED app. Accept the privacy policy and you will be redirected to the dashboard. Click the student icon to join class. You will be able to join the class when a green indicator flashes on. The green indicator comes on when the teacher starts the class. Next, the device setup dialog box will prompt you to check and enable the microphone and the camera. When you sign on to GrapeSEED Connect for the first time, you will be prompted to allow or deny access. You need to grant access for GrapeSEED Connect to work. Tablet PCs and smartphones with dual cameras, external webcam, or headphones may require you to select the correct camera and mic. You can test or change the settings for the camera and the microphone by clicking on your user avatar on the top right and selecting Device Setup from the drop-down menu. When the class is in session, the Join Now button at the bottom will be enabled. Click this button to join the class in progress. Now you have successfully joined the remote GrapeSEED class with GrapeSEED Connect.